I'm going to give you a great recipe. We're going to make the most amazing hollandaise sauce, but it's going to be easy, and I'm going to show you how you can keep it without splitting it. Okay, it starts with 2 very good eggs, and we're going to remove just the yolks. Okay, now the egg whites you can use for a lovely meringue. So the egg yolks go to a heat-proof glass bowl. Then here I've got a pan, about 1 inch of water. I'm going to put the bowl on top, and I do not want the water to touch the eggs because it will overheat and you'll get scrambled eggs, and we don't want that. Add a little swig of lemon juice or white wine vinegar, just a little tablespoon, and whisk that up to make it fluffy and pale. It just takes a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to use some butter. I'm going to put a pack of butter in here, guys, because I'm going to make enough hollandaise for about 6 people. I'm going to put it on a heat and we're just going to melt it, okay? So as you whisk the egg yolks, it's going to start to double in size. You're sort of par cooking the eggs. And now the eggs are kind of ready to hold and emulsify fat. In this case, we're using the melted butter. Slowly add in the butter. If you don't whisk constantly, you'll have too much fat and it will split. You can see it thickening up nicely. As you're doing it, have a little taste. Yum. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, a little pepper. Just get a good old-fashioned thermos flask, right? And preheat it. And then pour that away. And this is the best place to put a fantastic hollandaise sauce. Get your sauce and just pour it in. It's going to stay warm for 2 hours. And it's the best tip that you could get. Oh, look, I've just gone over the rim. And in kitchens, we use thermos flasks to keep these fantastic sauces like béarnaise, hollandaise, that are held together by egg and heat and fat. The thing about these sauces is it's so delicate, it's so silky. It's so good with things like asparagus, new potatoes, you know, steamed fish, even grilled chicken. Amazing. So there you go, guys, classic hollandaise sauce made with love and care. There's so many things you can do with that, even the eggs Benedict. And if you want to see a recipe for that, just click the link up there. But there you go, thermos flask, brilliant tip.